Europe is home to world-famous destinations, but beyond the well-trodden paths lie hidden gems that many travelers have never heard of. From breathtaking natural wonders to enchanting villages frozen in time, these places offer unforgettable experiences far from the crowds. Here are 10 stunning places in Europe you didn't know existed. 1. The Blue Eye, Albania. Deep in the heart of Albania's forests lies a mesmerizing natural spring with electric blue waters. The Blue Eye is over 50 meters deep, and its true depths remain a mystery. Surrounded by lush greenery and the peaceful sound of flowing water, this hidden paradise feels like a scene from a dream. 2. Húsavík, Iceland. This charming fishing village in northern Iceland is often called Europe's whale-watching capital. Humpback whales, minke whales, and even blue whales roam the surrounding icy waters, creating an incredible wildlife spectacle. The town itself is a picture-perfect blend of colorful houses, snow-capped mountains, and hot springs where visitors can soak while watching the northern lights. 3. Civita di Bagnoregio, Italy. Perched on a crumbling hilltop, this medieval village is known as the Dying Town. Connected to the mainland only by a long footbridge, it feels like stepping into a forgotten era. Stone buildings, charming cafes, and breathtaking views of the Italian countryside make it a fairy tale-like escape. 4. The Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. A natural wonder of interlocking basalt columns stretching along the rugged coastline, the Giant's Causeway was formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago. According to legend, an Irish giant built the causeway to cross the sea to Scotland. The striking rock formations and powerful waves crashing against them create an awe-inspiring sight. 5. Plitvice Lakes, Croatia. A paradise of 16 interconnected lakes. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a breathtaking natural wonder where waterfalls flow into emerald green waters. Wooden walkways wind through dense forests, allowing visitors to get close to the shimmering lakes. Each season transforms the park, from lush greenery in summer to a magical winter wonderland. 6. Meteora. Greece monasteries perched atop towering rock pillars create an almost surreal sight in central Greece. Built centuries ago by monks seeking solitude, Meteora's clifftop monasteries seem to defy gravity. The panoramic views of the valley below, combined with the spiritual ambiance, make it one of the most unique places in Europe. 7. Faroe Islands, Denmark. Nestled in the North Atlantic, the Faroe Islands are an untouched paradise with towering sea cliffs, dramatic waterfalls, and rolling green hills. The islands remain one of Europe's best-kept secrets, offering breathtaking landscapes, unique wildlife, and tiny villages with traditional grass-roofed houses that add to the magical atmosphere. 8. Lofoten Islands, Norway. This Norwegian archipelago is a land of dramatic landscapes, where jagged mountains rise from the sea, colorful fishing villages dot the coastline, and white sandy beaches contrast against the Arctic waters. The northern lights in winter and the midnight sun in summer make Lofoten a stunning year-round destination. 9. Benigual Cave, Portugal. Hidden along Portugal's Algarve coastline, this sea cave is a masterpiece of nature. A massive domed ceiling with a natural skylight allows sunlight to pour into the cave, illuminating the golden sand and turquoise waters. Accessible only by boat or kayak, visiting Benigual Cave is a surreal experience. 10. Hallstatt, Austria. A tiny lakeside village nestled between towering mountains, Hallstatt looks like something from a fairy tale. Colorful houses reflect on the calm waters of Lake Hallstatt, while winding streets lead to centuries-old churches and charming marketplaces. Whether blanketed in snow or bathed in summer sunshine, this hidden gem remains one of Europe's most picturesque spots. Europe is filled with hidden treasures, waiting to be explored. From mystical caves to breathtaking lakes and forgotten villages, these incredible destinations prove that there is always something new to discover. Step off the beaten path and experience the magic of Europe's most stunning secret places.